If I'm not the best, so I'm the best.
Touch me.
That cannot be right.
Another comeback.
I should have waited for my W, I guess. It's actually crazy that she can do 850 damage. Oh wait, she had a reset. I didn't even realize she had Dark Seal. Wait, what? She reset? Fuck, wait, what? When the hell did she reset? Okay, that actually throws me off guard. Yeah, because I didn't think she would be that strong. She didn't have a reset, but she did have a reset. Oh shit. I was not spamming tab fast enough. Oh man, my fault. Fuck it. 3, 2, 1.
An ally has been slain.
It's all blood, sweat, and tears. Watch yourself. People say I'm toxic. I'm not. They just suck.
Killing spree.
Oh wow.
We're more than a band. We're the next era of music. My old band. Do that.
All right. Vision is quite OP, lads.
Turn it on.
Okay, Mr. Alistar wants to do this, I guess.